In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on vertical tabs in Chrome in just a few quick steps. This is a really helpful feature if you like a cleaner browser layout, want easier tab management, or just prefer having your tabs displayed in a more organized way. It only takes a moment to set up, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to switch it on. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three dots menu icon. Click on those three dots to open Chrome's main menu. This menu gives you access to a variety of browser settings and tools. Next, move your mouse cursor over the More Tools option. When you hover over it, a side menu will appear with additional browser features and options. From that menu, look for the option that says Show Tabs Vertically and click on it. As soon as you select it, Chrome will switch your tab layout so your tabs appear vertically instead of across the top. This can make it much easier to manage lots of open tabs, especially if you like a more streamlined workspace. If you ever want to change it back later, you can usually return to the same menu and switch the layout again. And that's it. You've now turned on vertical tabs in Chrome. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want to see more Chrome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.